Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Do you have a kindergartner?
Kindergarten is the foundation to education. So it's really important since my daughter's homeschooled for us to get a jump start on that and just make sure that she stays ahead. This book has helped in so many different ways, from her learning how to count, how to write her numbers. There are different activities in there. I really love that it has language arts in it as well, so she can trace and practice her numbers and practice her writing. And it starts with the basics. Trace a line, draw a squiggle, do a zigzag. What a great start to kindergarten.
So whether you're homeschooling or you're a teacher or you're just a parent who wants to work with their child on a different type of curriculum that's fun and engaging and entertaining, I would highly recommend this product. My daughter loves it, I love it, and I'm just going to keep on using it. And that's my point of view.